Welcome to this training series on how to use our TOMi8 device. Here we're going to learn from the very basics how to connect it to the power to very interesting features such as interaction with the projection and other interesting elements. TOMi8 is the all-in-one assistant for teachers, friendly and very easy to use, that is going to help them in the classroom to innovate with technology specially designed for education. This is TOMi8. On the front part we have an infrared camera and this button, which is the only button that it has. On the rear part we have two antennas which works as a way to expand the connection for external devices, and we have some specific ports. This is the power jack, this is the LAN port, a USB port, an HDMI port to connect to the video projector or other projection devices, and the audio jack. In order to use our TOMi8, you always need to use a second device, which is a projection device. In this case, we're going to use a video projector, but you can also use desktop monitor or a TV. The important thing is that we have an HDMI port to connect both of them. So this is what we're going to do here. I'm going to connect the HDMI cable, which is already connected to the video projector. And now, in order to turn it on, I just need to connect the Tomi to the power, and we are ready to start working with the TOMi8.